Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I would like to do a review on some of the Plant Life soaps that I hauled in my video, and I want to give my thoughts, so this will be very quick, very short. So the first one that I'll talk about is called Lavender, and again it came in that like lilac purple type of soap wrap on it, label. And my thoughts about this soap is 100% good. I really like the way that it smelled. It smelled a like a garden of lavender flower. It was just so aromatherapeutic. It smelled fresh. If you're someone who loves lavender, you will love this soap bar. It suds up really well. I just feel like my skin overall felt really soft, very clean when I was done using it, and it lasts me for a good while, probably like up to maybe 2 to 3 weeks. Because most soaps, depends on the hardness of the soaps, can last you a while and it may not. It depends on, again, the hardness if it's soft. But the lather was there, the scent was there, the fragrance felt 100% natural. Was nothing in the soap that's like seems synthetic, because like again I mentioned in my previous reviews on Plant Life soaps, the soaps are really good. They're like synthetic free. There's no dyes, there's no fragrances, everything is just essential oils. So just very natural. So I really like this soap. So if you see this soap at Marshalls or TJ Maxx, definitely pick it up. It is really good. Like, especially if you love smelling lavender all day, you will really like this soap. And I really enjoyed it when I was using it in my shower or bath for nighttime, because lavender is very calming. So like lavender, chamomile, those types of fragrances just really relaxes the senses, just really gets you ready for bed and to go to sleep, And a lot of the time, people who want to relax during the day, if they had a hard time working or just had a really busy day and just want to take some time, some me time, just always look for soaps that smells really good, that's really calming and soothing, and you will find yourself very relaxed, very, woosah, just calm, just, you just feel like everything that you've been carrying for the day has been lifted off your shoulders and you're no longer carrying that. And again, when you're using special aromatherapeutic products, it does target the stress, it does target, helping you feel calm and rejuvenated. And when you have rejuvenation, your body is able to be calm and relaxed, which your body needs to be at all times. So yes, I really like this soap. There's no cons for this lavender soap. Just really good, and I would encourage you all to buy this. And I paid $3.99 for this soap bar. You could go on Plant Life website. They're always having discount. Like every Tuesday, there's a deal where you can get a discount on whatever they decide to put on for a discount. You can go to their sales session. You can also just look around in their store. There's something for everybody. And if you're someone who is like really a purist and you only want to use product that is great from the Mother Earth and something healthy for your skin, this is a good company that I will highly recommend for you to try. So again, that is my review on the lavender soap. Let me know if you tried any of the Plant Life soaps. If you're watching any of my reviews, or have you had any thoughts? Have you decided to pick one up for yourself, for your family, gift someone? Let me know, because I love to know other people's thoughts about things that I review. And yeah, so have a really nice day. Thank you for tuning in to watch this video. I really enjoy Plant Life. These soaps are really amazing. They're really good. And if you're someone who, again, is very attracted to scents, this is the soap that you will want to get because it smells really clean. And you can pretty much find it anywhere. You could go on a website and look up information for their retailers within your areas to see if you can find it locally. And yeah, so again, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad to have you here, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.